Altimex has been in business since 1995. We are a specialist supplier of electronic manufacturing services for a range of sectors. Our EMS manufacturing business is focused on low and medium volume manufacturing for industry sectors demanding fibre optic connectivity solutions and high quality, reliable products, including aerospace, security, oil and gas exploration, scientific instrumentation, mass transportation and other professional electronics industries. Altimex provide a complete end-to-end service from PCB assembly and wiring harnesses to panel building. Fully skilled in the supply of fibre optic assemblies and cable management systems, we have worked extensively in both the data and telecommunications industries. Our multidisciplined team has a wealth of industry knowledge and expertise and work closely with our clients to provide optimum solutions that meet their individual needs. We provide an end-to-end service from initial concept and design through to electronic and mechanical assembly, with technical advice and service available throughout the entire process. If you are looking for electronic manufacturing services for critical systems, contact Altimex.